I hope, someday or another, we shall become a storehouse and granary for the world. It is better to offer no excuse than a bad one. The harder the conflict, the greater the triumph. I was summoned by my country, whose voice I can never hear but with veneration and love. There is a destiny which has the control of our actions, not to be resisted by the strongest efforts of human nature. A sensible woman can never be happy with a fool. True friendship is a plant of slow growth and must undergo and withstand the shocks of adversity before it is entitled to the appellation. 99% of failures come from people who make excuses. Associate with men of good quality if you esteem your own reputation, for it is better to be alone than in bad company. Human happiness and moral duty are inseparably connected. Happiness depends more upon the internal frame of a person's own mind than on the externals in the world. My first wish is to see this plague of mankind, war, banished from the earth. Let us raise a standard to which the wise and honest can repair, the rest is in the hands of God. Perseverance and spirit have done wonders in all ages. Real men despise battle, but will never run from it. Liberty, when it begins to take root, is a plant of rapid growth. There is nothing so likely to produce peace as to be well prepared to meet the enemy. Guard against the impostures of pretended patriotism. Discipline is the soul of an army. It makes small numbers formidable, procures success to the weak, and esteem to all. Labor to keep alive in your breast that little spark of celestial fire called conscience. Worry is the interest paid by those who borrow trouble. We must consult our means rather than our wishes. Truth will ultimately prevail where there is pains to bring it to light. I'll die on my feet before I'll live on my knees.